everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel How Logical. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to log into your Haringey Council Tax account. For this guys, what you need to do is just open up any web browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and bring up the search bar and type in Haringey Council Tax login and hit the search. Make sure it takes you to the official link new.haringey.gov.uk. Just click on that link. It might take a while to loading. Now you will be redirected to the official website of Haringey. Now scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the My Account and the Parking Account. You just need to click on Go to My Account. Now again scroll down a bit. Over here you can see the Register for My Account and the Login into My Account. For now I'm clicking on Login into My Account. In case if you don't have any account, just click on Register to My Account. Now again you will be redirected to the new interface. Now over here you just need to enter your email address. Similarly enter your password over here. And once you click on sign in button, you will be easily access your account. In case if you forgot your password, just click on forgotten your password, then you will be easily recover your password. This was for today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below for more content like this. And remember to turn on the notification so you never miss the upload. See you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.